Everyone, waiting on these to go live. So if you hop on here, tell me where you're watching from. I want to do something kind of fun and different today. I love to use essential oils to cook with, so I just wanted to go over one of my recipes that I use in my salad. So if you hop on here, tell me what's your favorite salad dressing, why you like that particular salad dressing, and what's your favorite thing to make, to cook? I love salads, so as well as I love to bake and you name it. So I don't want to keep you long today. I just wanted to hop on here and share this with you and tell you why some of the essential oils that I use that I picked. So simply some extra virgin olive oil. So guys, this is super simple. I mean, this will take no time to make. So I just used a measuring cup. Okay, that's a little slippery. Okay. You hop on here, tell me what you're doing, where you're watching from, if you're watching it live. So I just simply take a measuring cup and just put a cup. And if you're interested in this recipe, just comment below and I will post the recipe, okay? And have you ever made your own dressing? Okay. Okay, so simply a cup of olive oil. And what I'm going to do is, it's very important the pink pepper is essential in actually getting this, taking it internally every day. So I try to find ways, because sometimes I forget about the pink pepper. So I try to find ways. I love putting it in my smoothie. I love making my own salad dressings. I love putting it in certain drinks and mixtures. So this is an easy way that I can actually get pink pepper, because it's great for cellular health. It's great for breast support. So this is one oil that I want to make sure that I use on a day-to-day basis. So this is just an easy way, and it's all about easy. You know, making healthy, you know, it's not just about using essential oils. It's the big picture, you know, it's getting the right minerals, vitamins, supplementation, knowing what you're putting in your body, what you're eating, plenty of sleep. It's the big picture, plenty of exercise. So I just simply put 2 drops in here. Oh, and that smells incredible. And then I use 2 drops of basil. I use a lot of basil. So its main chemical constituents is linalool. So it's a monoterpene alcohol. So I just put 2 drops of that, and it has very calming benefits as well. So who doesn't need some calming benefits right now? So I also put lemon essential oil. Its main chemical constituents is D-limonene. So it's going to be very cleansing to the human body. Very detoxing. I got 3 drops in, but it's okay. So, and I'm going to add, today I'm just going to add something a little bit different. I'm going to actually put black pepper in here, because I'm going to put some fresh ground pepper as well. So I'm actually putting a couple drops of black pepper essential oil in here, and it's very good as far as like high content and antioxidant support. So I'm just going to put 2 drops in here. Okay, 2 drops. And then I simply just take a coffee grinder. I don't like coffee, but I use a coffee grinder all the time to grind up my fresh herbs and what have you. So I just, a second ago, I ground before I started, so you didn't have to hear my coffee grinder. I put some whole peppercorns in there and literally just grounded them up, so I have some. And I love pepper, so I always put extra pepper. And literally just pepper to taste, okay? Literally, I mean, that's all you have to do, pepper to taste. So, and that's all there is to it, guys. I mean, how easy is that? So, mix this up. And I just keep it in my fridge. But this is amazing. I mean, it tastes incredible. You just drizzle a little bit over your salad, and literally that's all there is to it. Let me taste it. See if I got enough pepper. I love pepper. That tastes really good. Yes. So simply just put it in a container, and literally you can just store it. I'm probably just going to add a little bit more pepper. Just because I like a lot of pepper. And you just shake it up before you use it on your dressing. I mean, before you use it on your salad. So, make sure you have the lid on before you start shaking it. Literally, that's it. You just pour it on your salad. I love eggs. I put celery in my salad. I put cucumbers. I love to put spinach in my salad. Tomatoes. Whatever you love. I love bacon. My family, we're big bacon eaters. So I love putting bacon in there. I always cook. I always use my air fryer. I always cook fresh bacon and put it on there. I actually make my own croutons, so I keep those in stock and literally just throw some croutons on there. So tell me what you love on your salads. Okay, literally, guys, that's it. And then you're ready to go. Keep it in the fridge and enjoy your salad. So I hope you enjoy your afternoon. And if you would like to learn how to make something or anything about essential oils, just comment below and I will see you later. Bye.